In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your keyboard on your laptop in Windows 11. So this can be really useful if you're using an external keyboard and you want to go and disable the keyboard on your laptop. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do this. The first method is by opening up your Start menu. You can then just search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards, and here you need to go and locate your laptop keyboard device. So typically this is going to be labeled as HID keyboard device. If you're not sure which one's your keyboard, then what you can do is go and disconnect your external keyboard, and the ones that are left are obviously the keyboard for your laptop. Now from here, what you need to do is go and right click on your keyboard and then just press uninstall device and go and press uninstall. If you have multiple keyboards listed here, then you might need to go and uninstall more than one. Now that should go and disable the keyboard on your laptop. If that's not working, another thing you can do is hold down the right shift key on your keyboard for 8 seconds. You'll then get a confirmation pop up on your screen. Just go and press confirm, and that's another way to go and disable your keyboard. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.